kind of a pesto.
Pesto?
You have a piece of pesto-y toast.
Everybody likes pesto.
Pesto, jarred pesto.
Salt? Salt.
Salt.
Salt? Salt?
Steak sauce. Steak sauce, dude. Like the sauce?
Sauce.
Sauce.
Tomato sauce?
This packet of soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
This soy sauce? Oh, soy sauce.
No soy sauce.
Your spices.
In the spices.
Beautiful, warming spices.
Spices.
The Mexican spices and the Indian spices come through.
Sugar. Sugar.
Sugar.
Sugar?
Sugar?
Sugar.
To season a little bit of that oil.
Allow me to season it first, sir. It's to season to perfection.
To season the veg and a couple big twists of pepper. But you really need to season the milk.
Vanilla. Vanilla? I need more vanilla.
Vanilla?
Vanilla? Vanilla.
Mostly, and vinegar.
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 Some sugar, vinegar.
What smell?
The vinegar.
Of wasabi.
Wasabi.
Soy and wasabi.
Ah, wasabi.
Wasabi.
Wasabi flavored peas.